use your thing here.
What thing?
I'm gonna try to guess which one this is.
Oh, yeah, that's a pretty cool set. You know why I bought that? For the mirrors for the MCI. And I used one.
Well, it's good. The thing of it is with these is that I try to keep them together, and then they.
Oh, I tried that with all my tools. It doesn't.
I have a whole bunch of them. It takes you a week to go through to find the right one you want.
Yes, it does. Yes, it does.
Small.
Blue! Come on, come in the bus. Come on, you can come in the bus. Come on, Blue, come on. Come on, you came in the other day. When you're hungry, you come in. Prime, come on. What, just because you're not hungry? Come on, Prime, come on. Come on, Prime. Come on, big old puppy, dorky dog. Go in the pit. Go in the pit, both of you. I bet your Prime will go in the pit. Prime, come on. Prime, come on. Come down here. Prime, come on. Come on. Something about pits and dogs. Go find a ball. There's one right over there. See? Per capita, there's like one ball for every 50 square feet of this yard. And you guys are just sitting here. Prime, look. Look. Blue's chasing a cat. Come here. Come on. Watch. Go get it. Get it. Good, Prime. Good, Prime. Prime. Come on. Come on. You do not get the whole fetch thing. Go get it. He's got your ball. There's your chance. Your little tennis ball addiction.